Hazrat Juwairiya Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha reported that Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam came out from her apartment in the morning as she was busy in observing her dawn prayer in her place of worship. He came back in the forenoon and she was still sitting there. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said to her, "You have been in the same seat since I left you?" She said, "Yes." Thereupon Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "I recited 4 words 3 times after I left you, and if these words to be weighed against what you have recited since morning, these would outweigh them, and these words are Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi adada khalqihi wa riza nafsihi wa zinata arshihi wa midada kalimatihi. Hallowed be Allah, and praise is due to Him according to the number of His creation, and according to the pleasure of His self, and according to the weight of His throne, and according to the ink used in recording words for His praise. Ameen.